Okay guys, welcome to today's video. We are comparing my new 4K cam with the old cam I normally had to see what has better footage. So without further ado, let's get to it. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. So here's how I look and sound on my old camera at 720p. Apparently this is 1080 full HD at 30 feet per second. And this is what it looks and sounds like coming through my regular Samsung S9 Plus phone. Okay guys, so as you saw, the audio is a little bit better, but you know, it's nothing compared to my phone. But let's get it out on the road, see if there's any difference there. On the trip out, we're going to be at 1080p, 30 feet per second, and it's going to be in car mode. And then on the way back, car mode is going to be turned off. So we'll see which one's better.
A few moments later.
Okay. Let's stop it right there because 10 seconds is more than enough that I want to ever see on a road trip on that camera, if you want to call it a camera. That was horrible. That was chopping all over the place. So we're just going to get right to the surprise. Okay guys, so I was originally going to ask you what video you liked better, but it turns out it doesn't really matter because I got this today. It's a GoPro Hero 2. The 2 is missing because when I got the thing, I mean, it was so gross, I didn't even want to touch it. And it actually took lighter fluid, believe it or not, to scrape the crap that was off of this thing. I don't know what the heck was off it. Careful what you buy off Kijiji. But it's tested, it works. It didn't come with a battery. It's got no SD card, no charge cord, but I bought a charge cord already. I've already got an SD card coming, and I've already got a battery coming. I've got all the accessories and everything. I've got the new mount on my helmet and stuff. So as soon as those come in, we'll be getting some really good GoPro HD Hero 2 footage. I know it's not the newest GoPro, but for me, this is exciting. So if you like this video and you want to see more great videos from my channel, please feel free to watch this video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.